My mission to ride all 13 Vëlosummer routes this summer began on Saturday. I mean, Sunday.
And so this is the Vëlosummer velo route. It starts in Gobles Mill, goes to the lake, turns around and comes back.
At one point, I got hungry, so I stopped and got something to eat.
Man. Hello. Ijzerkoek.
Ijzerkoek.
Ijzerkoek. Ijzerkoek. Like a
cake.
like a cake. Ijzerkoek. Allez, allez, allez. Allez, allez, allez. Okay, so I quickly got on the train, and now I'm going to do the Ijsdal tour. And this is the hopping place to be. So green in here. Okay, that's two today. Vëlosummer and Ijsdal.
A couple days later, I headed south to ride the Vëlosummer tour, which starts in Asphalt.
Yeah, so this is the Vëlosummer velo route. Vëlosummer means two countries, and right now I am in France. So I started in Luxembourg, now I'm in France, and will again be in Luxembourg later on. Ciao, ciao.
Okay, thus ends my first week of Mike's challenge. So, Vëlosummer, done. Ijsdal tour, done. Vëlosummer tour, done. This coming weekend, it is Velo via Norden, which goes from Trois Verges down to Vilvervilts, and Vëlovesten tour, which is over in the Gootland. So, I hope to see you out there. Addy ciao, tip top.